This is Ground Media UG. Codebase Entertainment.
Musho.
Navayo. Yeah, Blue 3. Yeah, go munange. Mwebale kuwagira. It was new. It was new. You know, I haven't performed with other artists for years.
Okay.
So it was a new experience for me. Also it was very humbling, you know, like kubera kusejinga oyinokwe okwekomako nogamanyichi this is not about me. Usually this is me and other people. So while you have into the ovulalubo inobuku bukendeza, you know, and you need to reduce your energy to match the energy ya buli omaliwo. So it was a humbling experience, but it was nice. Also musically different from mine, which so I'm glad to have a point into buli omakole kiche. Awonendo kankubalaga wange ngabo njagala. But it was a good experience. Yeah.
Abantu abakyagala music omulungi bajje bali.
Munage bali. Okitegera nze nali manyi mwayononikira ddala abana Uganda. Okitegera nali manyi you guys people are actually still there. So it looks like us as artists, we are the ones starving our fans. Okitegera faba abachivaako ekya quality music but bambi bafani bo. But they like it. They still like that R&B music. They still like perfect harmonies. It was a very good thing to see. Era nze nina kingi nnyo kye nayiga olunaku olwo.
Obuzibu branding ne finance zinze tukozesa mu kuyingiza. Ogamba obuzibu tebuli kubayingiza. Because shame is expensive.
Yes.
Abantu bajja.
That's very true. Ate kubanga
ogamba yayo gye bafocusing on bagamba let's go and enjoy this show.
I hear you. But I think eyo show yaliraza abayimbi because manya abayimbi bangi abali bayimba oyo music bwatyo nti R&B nga bolaba baziza zioni nti yalekerawo yaggwamu amaanyi, you know. So I hope that show sobola okuzaamu abantu amaanyi, you know, abantu nga Maurice Kirias, people who do that R&B music atafuna nyombo airplay. But I think that show was encouraging to Uganda nayagala just ekintu no kiteeka muki promotion nga mungi. Kuba Blue 3 twafuna promotion mungi. You know, that's how people got to know us. So these new artists not just to take on promotion. But from Uganda akyayagala music all.
What was your best moment on stage?
My best moment. It has to be when we're doing the last song and you hear people singing Sanyukanawe, you know, word for word for word. It was nice. Then also in Ndulu Zetwafunanga Tuja, like the first look. Ochitegera mwezo is costumes za Kais Divo, you know, the black outfit na buli kimwe n'endolo zetwafuna, people were amazed. Charlie, it was nice. Twalaba kabatamu nga bakaba, you know, some, you know, and that is always ng'omuyimbi owulira bulungi, like message yange etuuse. Okitegeera, yes. Oba omanyi kati oyo ye muyina emyaka egiddako ng'etaano. Okitegeera, yeah, so it was nice.
What a full package video. Why don't you unite nanga bwe mwali abasatu and make this business? Because kiraga nti sente n'obutikimbo w'ensiri busobola okujja akoze ekifaananyi kye mwalanga lwaki temwegatta wa
twegatte the fact that we can do a concert mwana gwe kukwegatta because mwina okukola concert mwina okubeera wamu at least emyezi 3 jukira the planning process, the marketing process, and then that means you're actually together. So in a way Blue 3 actually twegatte to do that. So after the concert we're together kulaga abantu nti brand one way. So the clientele is able to affording a chagala. This is the quality that we want because that's what concerts are about. Then after the concert, prices zichuka. Bangola zo muntu kati levels zange ziri wezi. So try to lagaba to what the level of Blue 3 is. Era katugina performing ira kabaka wa Bunyoro, you know? Yes, so there are people who saw the vision and were getting those bookings in Pola. Nayenga Blue 3 see a brand into gendo kula mukabala mbobati. There's a certain budget that comes with it. That you won't see too many shows. So tuchakola.
That music umpya ufati nayo.
Yesha.
Because going on.
Kuba nchali sindi. Sagala chivaako ekyo. Career yange nkyajagala as a solo artist. Ate jukira music wa Blue 3 music type yange. No, nze ng'omuntu mumanyi nze ndi muntu wa dance onja kubalaga. Okitegera, so R&B is the other way that I express my talent nabino mbisobola. But mu mutima gwange ndiye I'm a dancehall chief. Music gwenjagala.
Kyali kimanyibwa nnyo nti baali bakubola. Ogamba tewaba proving alongo, is it still there? Bakubola, these two.
No, tebasobola kumbola. The fact that they came to me and approached me to do this concert, ne bataddeyo wa Maya. Kiba kitegeeza nti now they understand. You know, kiba kitegeeza the respect is there, the acceptance is there nti waliwo ansingako oba wali, you understand, like oba I need this person to make this happen, because that acceptance is there.
Why made you to be strong when not galango tambula? Because we vavao, nga Bruce Lee we vavao.
Yes.
Boba really bali come.
That's true.
Not galango chat.
That is true.
What made you strong?
That time was hard for me. It was very hard for me. Nadalo mwako gwasoka. It was really hard. No when afulumi ambikoye. It was hard to get financial sense of it. Waliyo wofuna just ngo ina fame. Nayenga promoter wakubira talaba value yo segera. So nabona my first 1 year or so mpaka wena kubira yecha that's when money came in ostegera biduka bitambula naye wena yimbira ambikoyo. Of course I got airplay nenyimba nawe wena funa airplay.
You had a lot of pain.
Yes, I had so much. I was angry, I was disappointed, I was heartbroken, you know. Abawala balinga baganda banje, you know, they're like my sisters, and I felt like they really broke my heart at that time. But after you know, gaining that momentum, mpola na nechiterera wechaterera ngambo manyichi, I'm on my way now. Maiwa gamba akugoba yakola yakuwe kubo ate bampe kubo kubango no sindi akubara gono waye chaecho owa gundi copycat temwali mwolide ko segera kachava mweche chintu nchi omuntu bwakugoba kati okosa obusungu ne ostegera nogo mutima mumenyefu no creating something because now you have to fight to get where you are. That is how the king herself was born.
This one lesson waita mu lesson.
Naita mu lesson nganka ostegera cyari nava mu blue swing ine sente ina budget nene nenzira mu sente bwange nga no kwerwanako kuyiya ostegera. Yes, so that right there, that fight yeyafula the king herself. Yes, so for them to approach me again, it was a good thing for me. Ngomuntu yali yakuzala wa yazego. Then lero nadda osegera. Mubale kusima.
Walwana.
Bananyi. Bakubire mu ngalo.
Bana wala wasindi mumukubire mu ngalo. That matter. Umuchala yakola. Mubili nagamba let me wake up.
Let me no matter what. Sanonya group ndala.
What was your feeling to see Shiba?
On the show?
On the show.
First of all, I saw other artists first. Because Naisi Musubira, you know, I didn't expect her to be there. I saw that they sent me the ad. They said, she did the ad in Chibichi for the show. But I knew that Ali Mukwano Gwalili and you know. So I wasn't sure about agenda kuja kushoko. Sometimes ngo muimbo bato ina time. So just backstage, you know, bonga muno, then you go and do your own thing. So it was amazing to see her there. And including other artists, because Fenga bayimbi tetwe wagira for sure. You know, most of the time we don't attend unless ngangenda kuyimba. But otherwise the artists okuja kwa twaina banji.
Tables zazigidela.
Blood twaina tables zao nga 15 ngazina bayimbi. It was crazy. So that osegera Lydia Jasmine yaliyo, Nina Rose yaliyo, nalava Rema yaliyo ne Rachel King about the same table with Halima. You understand? Like it was nice to see ngo muyimbi mumutima nawulira bulungi twana emwe balokola ki okujja okundaba naye ne mulaba ngali awo. So as like mentioning other artists and I was like, oh, Shiba is here. It was a good experience okulaba nti no bayimbi bwe bakoze eki bazze okutulaba. Yes.
And omukuba mu battle and people are like, you did a lot on stage to provoke her.
I hear you. No, actually the battle ended last year. You understand? Like a senior reason Rwanda because of the outcome of the battle. You understand? Nafuna munyo senior reason is Garambo atenta Rwanda. There's nothing to fight for. But the music remains the music. You understand? I'm not going to change my song tomorrow or change the lyrics of Copycat tomorrow. No. The music stays the music. And every time I sing the song, it takes me back to that space. But it's about the mood. It's no longer about her. It's no longer about what I feel about that situation. No. Now it's about the song. Because I know Oluyimbalu, that song inspires so many people. So Oluyimba when nduyimbira kati bantu. It's no longer about her at all.
What are you going to go down ogamba ngene bamukuwa so mukuba ngache tuwakolera lasiya baina lasiya bana
lasiya nyumba sirina
wane Uganda gogamba banayo yimye ate ne bamumpa
anenda sirina sicha ina yadde era batambule mirembe sibaina ko bizibu Nedda sikyayagala. Unless of course Polly and Takendere. You see what I'm saying? Like unless there's somebody attacking me, but if there's nothing like that, sina muyimbi enagwanga matkatono bato bitini. No. Omuntu bwansaba. Kirowooza. I don't think so. No. Nedda. Sijja kuba kibi nnyo tasobola kikola nedda awo yavaawo ate osobola nokiraba from the concert osobola okiraba nti when I recognize that she gave me a salute, that means there is that respect weri, so there is space tekirowooza nti asobola okwagala okugiddamu.
This is how you need to brand yourself, because after the battle, abingi bimo byakyuka in your life. You loved your songs, abantu abali basika
waliyo n'abo abali beerabira nti sindi wakabi
abali tebakiprovinga. So this is how you need to brand yourself. We expect that you're going to push music on pressure.
I hear you, but no,
not why
okuta music, because nkakasa music wange mukakasa ate bw'olaba video otegera lwaki. You understand the graphics that twakoze because they are not easy to access. Ebintu byatwala a long time kuba nange I was frustrated ngamola mwengawe mwanyiga nange nali bwento nga bulijjo nkwida such a vibes like banange video nange nali ngamwe. But when it came out I understood nategera lwaki yatwala ebbanga. So nta music wange I don't release a lot of music wange mwekakasa. Mbamanyi, it's a good song. I know, I've listened to it, I've had my experience of over 15 years, 20 years in the business. So from that experience, I know this is a good song. Setaga kupapa. Ustegera, yes, setaga. So
after the battle, do you think the lady is yasigala mu mbeera zo bayabera affected?
Wabula simanyi ekibuuzo mwali buuzizza ye kuba nze simanyi wanza okumulaba nakomaawo after our tour gye twakola biki saddamu naddamu mulaba kati ng'ali ku Chiku Blue 3 concert. But I think with her attitude on that day it really felt like our yavao. That's the feeling I got from just looking at her. It felt like our yavao.